Welcome to the Finding Silence channel. Today we'll be exploring the herb of the week, rosemary. I bet you didn't know rosemary is a wonderful herb. People use it for cooking and for its smell. Rosemary is also good for your health, especially your hair. It can make your hair grow stronger and help with dandruff. Many people use rosemary to feel calm and relaxed. You can use rosemary fresh from the garden or dried from the store. It's easy to make your own rosemary hair oil at home. Let's get started. Rosemary is very good for your hair. It helps your hair grow longer and thicker. Rosemary has special oils that help new hair grow. It also makes your scalp healthy. A healthy scalp is important for strong hair. Rosemary can even help if your hair is turning grey. It can help your hair stay its natural colour longer. People have used rosemary for many years. In ancient Greece, people used rosemary to help them remember things. They also used it to make their hair smell nice. Rosemary is mentioned in many old books about plants and medicine. People use rosemary for headaches and to feel more relaxed. Rosemary is a very old and respected herb. It's easy to grow and use in your own home. You can easily make rosemary hair oil at home. Take a clean jar and fill it with dried rosemary leaves. Now, pour olive oil over the rosemary. Make sure the oil covers all the leaves. Close the jar tightly and put it in a sunny window for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, strain the oil into a clean bottle. Your rosemary hair oil is ready. Massage it into your scalp and hair. Rosemary is a wonderful gift from nature. It can help you have healthy, beautiful hair. Try making your own rosemary hair oil and see the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Finding Silence.